हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू द चैनल उपेशा जीके क्लासेस। तो आज मैं आपको 29 मई 2025 के टॉप 20 करंट अफेयर्स कराने वाली हूँ, जो आपके एग्जामिनेशन के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है। तो वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। तो चलिए लेक्चर को शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, विच इंडियन स्टेट बिकेम द थर्ड टू अडॉप्ट अ डेडिकेटेड स्पेस इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी 2025? Correct answer option D, Tamil Nadu. Question 2. The 46th ASEAN Summit, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, held on 26 May 2025 in Kuala Lumpur, was chaired by the Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer option C, Malaysia. Question 3. The United States LTM-30G Minuteman III ICBM intercontinental ballistic missile was originally developed by which aerospace company? Correct answer option A, Boeing. Question 4. Which country topped the medal tally at the ISSF Junior World Cup 2025 in Seoul, Germany? Correct answer option B, India. Question 5. Gujarat became the 24th state/UT in India to achieve 100% railway electrification in. Correct answer option C, May 2025. Question 6. The ninth BRICS Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa industry ministers meeting on 21st May 2025 was chaired by which country? Correct answer option C, Brazil. Question 7. The report Designing a Policy for Medium Enterprises was prepared for which organization? Correct answer option B, Niti Aayog, National Institution for Transforming India. Question 8. The One Family, One Entrepreneur campaign aimed at fostering grassroots entrepreneurship is an initiative of which Indian state? Correct answer option B, Andhra Pradesh. Question 9. World Hunger Day is observed globally every year on. Correct answer option C, 28 May. Question 10. International Day of Action for Women's Health. International Women's Health Day is observed on. Correct answer option C, 28 May. Question 11. Amrit Swasth Bharat, India's first AI-based non-invasive blood testing device, was developed by Hyderabad-based health tech startup in which state? Correct answer option C, Telangana. Question 12. Who became the fastest player to reach 13,000 test runs on 22 May 2025? Correct answer option C, Joe Root. Question 13. India's first gene-edited sheep was created by Professor Riaz Ahmad Shah and his team at. Correct answer option C, SQAST, Kashmir, Sher-e-Kashmir University of Agricultural Sciences and Technology. Question 14. Aizawl became the fourth northeast capital to gain rail connectivity. It is the capital of. Correct answer option A, Mizoram. Question 15. As of May 2025, the chairman of DRDO Defense Research and Development Organization is. Correct answer option B, Dr. Samir V. Kamath. Question 16. The emblem for Operation Sindoor was designed by which Indian Army duo? Correct answer option A, Lieutenant Colonel Harsh Gupta and Havaldar Surinder Singh. Question 17. In May 2025, which state cabinet approved the merger of KRCL, Konkan Railway Corporation Limited, with Indian Railways? Correct answer option D, Maharashtra. Question 18. NLCIL, Neyveli Lignite Corporation India Limited, celebrated its Dash Raising Day on 23rd May 2025. Correct answer option B, 69. Question 19. Daniel Nova Azim is serving as the 48th president of. Correct answer option B, Ecuador. Question 20. The historic Nag Shankar temple in Vishwanath district Dash was declared an ideal model site for turtle conservation on World Turtle Day 2025. Correct answer option B, Assam.